Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I just want to start off today's video by saying a little apology to all my loyal subscribers. I am so sorry I have been cutting down my video postings. I went down to one video a week and it's kind of been sporadic when I post, and that is due to finals week. I started rolling into the last couple weeks of school and I just realized that my schoolwork was taking the back seat. My videos were my main priority and I realized I needed to switch gears and I needed to focus a little bit more. So that is the reason my video postings and my posting on my social medias have gone down completely. My classes do end this Friday, so I will be back to my regular postings and everything like that after Friday. I just want to let you guys know that it is not permanent. It is just because of finals week. I am planning to do a chit chat get ready with me next week. That is just going to be like a life update, like what's been going on and everything like that. So be sure to look out for that video next week, and then it'll give you all the deets of what's been going on. So let's jump into today's video. And I have a box here by Sonia Kashuk. What? I'm not 100% sure if this is a permanent thing. It would be so amazing if it was. This was available on Target's website. It sold out so fast. People were on this box. It was $10, so it was one heck of a steal, and I'm gonna go into everything that is inside of it and what the deal is. When you first open it up, you have this little pamphlet that says hello makeup must-haves. On the back, you do also receive a $3 off a Sonia Kashuk purchase of $15 or more, and then it lists everything that you get inside of this box. So you do get 5 items this month, well, in this box. And here is how it looks. I'm absolutely loving the color scheme of this. It looks like it's gold, black, and white. That's nice. So let's jump into the first item. The first brush is from her new Essential line. This is the blush brush. I'm loving how this comes with this little plastic topper thing. You can use this when you are traveling, and these come in such handy. I have traveled with my brushes multiple times, and you know, sometimes if you don't have the right traveling case or whatever it may be, your brushes can get, you know, squished. The brushes can just get like completely flattened, or the hairs start to fray, and then it just gets very annoying. So I like to save these and use these when I'm traveling because they come in handy. But here we have the blush brush. I am loving the design of this brush. It's so sleek. The gold handle looks really good. It says blush down here at the bottom, so you can specifically know which brush is for what. The hairs are 100% synthetic, and the brush itself, the strands are very fluffy. It looks like it's going to give you a lot of blendability when you're trying to blend out your blush. She also says you can use it for bronzer. This brush also retails for $9, so it's not a bad price. It kind of reminds me of Morphe prices. Then we have another brush. This is the number 224. It is her Professional Collection Angled Eyeshadow Brush. This one retails for $13. So this brush is from a different collection than the first one I showed you. It has a little bit of a different design on the handle. It has a semi-glossy handle with a gold top, and if you look on the bottom, it has a gorgeous gold bottom with the SK stamp on it. It is super pretty. It also has the name Angle Eyeshadow on here, so you know which one it is, but again, it does not have the specific number she gave it. And I did forget to mention this handle, I believe with the other one as well, are both wood. And here's what the brush itself looks like. As you can see, it's got a very sharp kind of angle to it. It is definitely a firm kind of brush. It's not like a complete fluffy blending brush. It's got a little bit of a stiffness to it, but it also has a little bit of a give. Does that make sense? Am I just rambling right now? It's definitely a unique brush, and I'm pretty excited to test this out. It's not a shape or a brush I would typically gravitate towards and try out. And it also came with this little case. Love that. The next item I have from her is her slant tip tweezers. These retail for $10. Now this is a gorgeous pair of tweezers. I don't think I would ever say gorgeous to a pair of tweezers, but they are all gold. They say Sonia Kashuk on it. It just looks like a kind of elegant item. I have a ton of tweezers though. I have way too many. I lose one, I buy another one. I then have two, I lose both of them, I buy another one, and then I currently have like 3 or 4 at the moment, so I don't think I need another pair of tweezers. So I don't want to open this one up. I mean, it's a standard tweezer. You guys kind of know the deal. I'm going to leave it sealed, and I'm going to save this for a future giveaway. The next item in the box is actually 3 items. These are her quick dry brush cleaning wipes. This is, I suppose, a sample. All of the other ones have been full sizes. This is just 3 packets. She does sell a big bag of these where 10 come inside of it, and that retails for $9. This is to test it out, I'm guessing. But this is kind of a cool concept of if you are maybe on the go, you went somewhere for the weekend, you need to clean your brushes, they're really dirty. You're supposed to whip this out on a clean surface and gently swirl the brushes on the wipe to remove the makeup. Dry the brush with a paper towel, and that's it. It's supposed to be super easy. I could also see this being really essential if you are a makeup artist and you are out, you're needing to clean your brushes really fast. This could come in handy, especially since they're supposed to be quick drying. I will have to test that out and see exactly how long it takes to dry. It's one of the downfalls of, you know, constantly having to wash your brushes. It takes forever for them to dry. And the final item I'm pretty much the most excited about. This is her new blending sponge. It retails for $7. And here is the sponge, and it has 2 sides to it. It has the pointed side up here, which is supposed to be for, you know, your concealer, getting in those hard to reach places around the nose. And then she has a completely flat side on the bottom here that's supposed to be able to use to buff in your foundation. It feels very soft. I want to see if I run it underwater, if it's going to expand. I'll be right back. You guys. Okay, so I just ran this underwater. Look at it! Oh my god, it's massive now. It's almost as big as the palm of my hand. That is insane, but I mean, that's gonna give you some coverage. Please ignore my dirty Real Technique sponge. I just used it in the morning to apply my foundation. It's still wet, and just look at the size difference. It is quite large and in charge. I'm actually really excited to use this. It feels really nice. It feels like it's gonna be squishy. And it doesn't feel like it's going to be too hard stamping on the foundation, because I've used some horrible sponges where it just feels like you're pounding your face with a rock. But holy crap, you guys, this is everything that came inside of this month's box. You got so many items, and you paid $10 to get the box, and you got a $39 value. And that's not including the brush cleaning wipes, because I don't know what value to give those since it's not a full-size item. But these are kind of staple items. I mean, there's stuff you're going to reach for on the daily. I mean, it's good brushes, tweezers, cleaning wipes, and a sponge. I would 100% recommend this box. I don't think you can get your hands on it anymore. I do believe it's sold out, and I'm not sure if they're doing a restock. If you are not following me on my Instagram, I'll put my little handle up here, and then you can follow me on there, and I will update you guys if I do see that there is a restock, or if I see that there is another box coming out for next month, in case you guys are curious about that. But that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back full force next week with all of my postings. Please don't forget to hit that like button if you like this video, share it, leave me a comment down below what any of your thoughts were on today's video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!